Hey there! Today, I want to show you how to use the stack in Teta. You can use this widget, for example, to create a transparent background which can help make our button look nicer. Here's how to do this. First of all, let's insert a container to help make the shape of our button. Next, let's access its parameters and change the width, for instance, setting it at 80 pixels. Let's do the same for the height. Let's then set the color at white and the border radius at 24 pixels. Now, let's add an opacity to give it a bit more transparency. We can do this by setting the value at, for instance, 0.5. At this point, let's place our stack widget right before the opacity. We will now be able to place an element which will be right in front of our previously created container. Next, let's add another container. As seen earlier, let's change the width setting at 64 pixels this time and do the same for the height. Let's then set the color at red and the border radius at 16 pixels. At this point, let's change its margin in order to center it right inside the container, and then add an icon within it as well. Once we have chosen our icon, let's change its dimensions from 24 to 32 pixels and its color from black to white. All that is left to do is to add a gesture detector right before the icon and we're all set. Let's now use navigation on Tap, Open Page, and Empty One within the gesture detector. Perfect! Our very personalized button can now bring us to our second page. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!